Alright, the time has come. I'm finally uploading my first YouTube video.
Become a social media manager, but you don't have any experience. Oh hey, so what do you do for work? I'm a digital nomad.
This is so stressful.
Island, and what is...
Okay, so if you and I were to sit down and if you come to me for any YouTube advice, this is literally what I'm gonna tell you, okay? Then the first thing is it's never too late to start. So let me first share something that I've never shared on this platform before, and that is I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel about 4 or 5 years ago. I even uploaded a couple of videos here throughout the years, but eventually I just unlisted them because there was just so much fear inside me. Like I was constantly worried that people are gonna judge how I talk, how I look, what I do. And on top of it, I thought it was just too late for me to start. Like there are already so much content on YouTube, so why would someone want to listen to me, you know? Basically, I care so much about what other people think of me to the point that I just couldn't put myself out there. Even though deep down, I know that I have so much net value that I can give to my audience, so much knowledge I can share with people, and so much that I can inspire others. But instead, I let my own limiting belief stop me from doing all of these. I'm telling you, don't underestimate your own limiting beliefs because these little thoughts in your head can kill your dreams, your goals, your confidence like it did to mine. And if you're not actively aware of them and choose not to do something about them, they can take over. They can consume you, they can diminish you, they will make you feel like you're not worth it. And that lasts for about 4 to 5 years until last year when I was living on Gili Air Island and living my digital nomad life. And I decided that, you know what, enough is enough. My thought was if I had the courage to quit my 9 to 5 and start my own business during a pandemic, then I should have the courage to start a YouTube channel. And that was when I finally put an end to my limiting belief and eventually posted my first official YouTube video around this time last year. I remember I was scared to death when I first hit that publish button, but only this time I didn't let my limiting beliefs stop me. I'm finally uploading my first YouTube video. Yay! So one video after another, I hit milestones after milestones. I gained my first subs, then 500, then 1,000, and now I even monetized my YouTube channel. Oh my god, guys, we did it! Yay! But I've gained so much more than just the vanity metrics. Guess what? A lot of my clients actually found me on YouTube. So business opportunity, check. I've also got so many comments and DMs from people around the world telling me that they've learned a lot from my YouTube channel and I inspire them to become a social media manager or to pursue that location independent lifestyle. So adding value to other people's life, check. I've learned so much skills such as filming, video editing, script writing, time and project management. So personal development, check. So do I still care about what other people think of me in my videos? Yes, a little bit. Do people judge me? Do people leave bad comments? Yes, I get negative comments and weird messages from time to time, but I don't let these negatives get to me as much as it did before because I knew that all the positive outweighs negative and I gain a lot more than I lose. So if you are watching this right now and if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, I'm telling you, it's never too late. And the best time to start is right now. But if I can do anything to help you kickstart your journey, leave a comment below with your YouTube handle and I will hit that subscribe button to show you my support. So do it now. The second thing I've learned is that you don't have to niche down at the beginning. This might sound a little controversial because you're probably told that you have to, create content in a specific niche. But from my own experience, unless you're very clear on what your YouTube channel is about, but if you don't, that's totally okay, not to have a niche to begin with, and use it as an opportunity to just experiment as much as you can when you first started. So when I first started this channel, I was starting it with the intention to only talk about social media management topic because I'm a social media manager. I know a lot about social media marketing that I can share with people, and I wanted to establish myself as an expert in the industry, and I wanted to drive traffic to my business. But I'm also a human being with lots of other interests as well. Like my life doesn't just evolve around social media management. Like I'm very passionate about other topics like traveling, digital nomads, entrepreneurship, and etc. So I just ignored the advice from other YouTube experts and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna create whatever I want and see how that goes. And boom, like the first video about digital nomad life did so much better than my other social media management videos. So I started creating more and more video about digital nomads topics. And I realized that almost all of my digital nomad videos are doing way better than my social media management top videos. Does that mean I should just drop all the social media management videos and just focus on creating travel and digital nomad content from now on?
Of course!
Really?
No.
No, because the caveat here is that even though you might have different niches, but they need to complement each other. For example, I create YouTube videos about social media marketing and digital nomad topic. On the outside, it might seem like these two topics has little to nothing to do with each other. In my case, these two niches somewhat complement each other. That's because I'm trying to drive traffic to my coaching business, Social Nomad Academy, which is a program that helps other aspiring digital nomad build a freedom-based social media management business. Therefore, even though it might seem like these two niches are unrelated, but in fact, these two niches support and complement each other. So don't stress over niching down at the beginning. And if you have multiple niches, see if you can make them complement each other. Okay, at this point, you're probably dying to learn about something a little bit more practical, like a tool or something. I don't know. So here it is. Ready?
Yes.
Tubebuddy. Sign up for it right now. That's it. I'm joking. So let me explain. So Tubebuddy is honestly a must-have tool for your YouTube channel. It is essentially a certified YouTube SEO tool and a Chrome extension that connects directly to your YouTube dashboard. Once you installed it on your browser and log in, your YouTube dashboard instantly become entirely upgraded with tons of new features, of course. It's YouTube certified, so you know it's 100% safe and it's safe to install too. So for me, the best part of Tubebuddy is the huge amount of YouTube SEO features that it has packed in. Just type into the search box your video idea and it will tell you what related keywords you can use in your title that have high search volume. It also tells you what is trending so you can double down on anything trending. Another thing that I love about Tubebuddy is the suggested tags. This feature complements the Keyword Explorer perfectly. The suggested text tool embodies itself into the video upload page and gives you suggested text based on your main target keywords. So Tubebuddy is hands down the best YouTube SEO and growth tool on the market. It's so easy to use and you can always sign up using the link in my description box to install the free version first to see if you like it. So the next lesson might sound a little counterintuitive to my last point, but it's important for me to tell you guys, and that is don't obsess over analytics. Okay, I used to get so caught up with how many subscribers I get every day, how many views I get on each video, and it was just exhausting. I'm telling you guys, it's exhausting. Plus, checking these stats every day doesn't actually make a huge difference, honestly. Sure, by looking at the stats might tell you a thing or two about your click-through rates, your reach, your impressions, and other important metrics. And you can certainly tweak a few things based on these stats to improve your video a little bit, but that's it. Once your video is uploaded, it's out of your control, it's out of your hand. You can't control how many followers or views you're gonna get on your video. So looking at the numbers all the time is not gonna help. But what you can control is making more videos consistently, especially at the beginning. One of my favorite YouTuber, Ali Abdul, once said, focus on quantity rather than quality. Basically, what he meant by this is at the beginning stage, there are just so many learnings to be had, such as improving your ability to talk to the camera, your video editing, your filming, and all of those happen through quantity rather than quality. So instead of getting caught up with the numbers, just try to make as many videos and then worry about trying to improve the quality of them, because by virtue of making more videos, you're naturally going to improve the quality of them as well. And finally, stop comparing yourself to others on YouTube. I cannot tell you how many times when I come across a new channel or a channel that starts around the same time as mine, get way more subscribers and get way more views than mine, and I just I had to admit that I did feel jealous, and sometimes I still do, and I feel bad about myself. I feel like I'm a failure, but you know what? That's okay. I realize that everyone is going through their own journey, and when the time is right, it will happen for you as well. There's no deadlines. there's no timeline of when you need to become successful on YouTube. And what is a successful YouTube channel anyways? Is it like 1 million subscribers? Is it 10 million, 100 million? Everybody has their own definition of success. So there's really no need to compare yourself to others. Just realize that there are going to be people starting the same time as you did, but grow faster than you or got more views than you. And that is okay because you're doing your own thing. And think of it kind of like a horse race, right? You need to have your own blinders on, understand that there is going to be other people around you, but you just gotta run the race the best way that you can. And that's just how life is in general. So what I'm saying is there's no timeline. The only timeline that you're getting is from yourself. And just keep doing your thing. Focus on what you can do in your own power to improve your channel, to make the best videos you can. And trust me, your channel will grow and the right audience will want to stick around. All right, guys, that's it. I hope some of my advice can help you. And like I said, if you and I were to sit together and you came to me for some of my best YouTube advice, this is it, okay? There's never too late to start. Best time is right now. Also, if I can do anything to help you kickstart your journey, leave a comment down below with your YouTube channel handle, and I'll for sure to click that subscribe button to show you my support, okay? Good luck, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!